Of course, there's no point in making changes to a file if you can't save them. As with many applications, the most common way to do this is with Command S for save. There's also, of course, a menu item. You can look up here, File, Save. But I almost always use Command S. In fact, it's a good habit to get into just to hit Command S when you're not doing anything else. That way you're less likely to lose work. So let's make a change to this file. Let's add a snippet of code to this README. This is Ruby code, and I'll be using a syntax called code fencing. This is a hello world program in Ruby. You can see that Atom recognizes this as a source code snippet, so there's nice syntax highlighting. By the way, it's a good practice to put a new line at the end of the file like I just did there, so you can see there's an extra return. I'll show you in a moment why that is. But first I want to draw your attention to this little, if I mouse over it, it goes away. So that open circle indicates that there have been changes made in the file. In fact, if I undo the changes, you'll see that that circle will go away. You can see now it's just a little X. I can redo them like this. Now when I save with Command S, the circle goes away. This is especially useful when you have a bunch of files. You can just tell at a glance from looking at the tabs which files have been modified. Let me show you why it's nice to have a new line at the end of the file. I'll get rid of it and save. Go here. And let's do cat of that README. Why did that not work? That's weird. It's there. Oh. Okay, let's get rid of it. Oh, look at that. So Atom is so smart. Atom actually puts the new line there. It says, no, you do want a new line. That's amazing. All right, well, let's edit this thing with another editor. Let's fire up Vim. And go to the end. Oops. And we can just get, it's weird. That's really funky. I don't understand that at all. Yeah, here we see the issue. So here the last line ends with these 3 backticks. And then there's the prompt right away. But this is such a good practice that Atom actually enforces it. So if I save this, it'll restore it. Now the prompt is on the next line.